Well, it's 5 a.m. I woke up for a second and is my mic on? Hello? Hello? Yes. Um I stayed up all night. I didn't stay up all night, but I stayed up for a while and I was trying to see if we were going to break this overall trend that I found here and get up here, but it looks like every time I find a line that it starts looking like it's gonna follow, which I was very confident over here at first, and then I saw it break this, and then I was getting tired and I had to go like take a nap somewhere here, right? Yeah, it was getting close to midnight and I was sleepy, and then I just kind of woke up and I was just like, well, I'm up. Let me see what's going on, and then look at this. Here we have like some convergence, and then boom. It's been doing this the whole way. It's like I find like these. It's either like, but this is what's going on. There's a lot of negativity that I'm finding, really, and every time I find negativity, and I'm like, well, the negativity is releasing here, so then we're gonna get above this line. But if I look, there's more negativity, and I remember seeing that. I remember looking down this ephemeris and being like, this ephemeris doesn't look that great, and I'm like trying to be optimistic, and I'm trying to be like, you know, what is doing this? And I'm just sitting there. I'm just like, are we really gonna follow this sucker? Maybe we're going back down here, guys. Maybe we really are. I'm starting to think I was like too, you know, untrusting of this line. Like I didn't take it seriously. I kept trying to say this is a minor thing that's just adding to the situation. And maybe that's totally true. Like there was a bunch of positive situation that it added to here, and there's a bunch of negative situation that it's adding to on here. But at this point in time, I'm saying I guess we got to crawl down to 45. We might have to crawl down to 45 till tomorrow, and then hopefully that means there's a breakout here again, another run up like this. That'll be great. Maybe that's what they're all setting it up for. You know, they're just setting it up to then boom and then boom. Like that's going on. 'Cause every time I find like these, they like, you know, interesting. I mean, I'm still calling it really. It's basically like it's like yeah, I'm calling it like where it's gonna go from a point where it's starting to take it like look, we're gonna look at this too. But here's the thing though, you do notice we did get a lot closer. We bounced back up harder and got back above this line again. So we're getting above this line faster and faster. That's something I'm seeing. You see like this space and this space. Wait, yeah, this space. It was hard. It took all of this to get above this line. We got a lot above it, but then dropped down, and then it took started getting above the line faster, and then almost really got above it. It's like it's getting faster and faster. It's getting closer and closer toward really getting out. I hope. I just try to be optimistic here, guys. I had such a long, stupid stream that I'm going to have to cut up. Like, it's stupid because I wasn't even doing this. I was, like, stepping away from my computer, and I had, like, a visitor and a phone call that distracted me, and a Zoom meeting that I was, like, on at the same time last night. So if you watch that stream, I am sorry. That is the worst stream. I think I'm gonna take it down and cut it up. You know, I've been leaving the long streams up so you can see my work, but that one is like no one wants to watch 4 hours where it's like looks like I'm not doing anything for like a half hour or so. But yeah, let's not make this long. I'll come back to this in a few hours, maybe this morning. I have.